Happy New Week, Ebonyi People TV family. I'm so excited to welcome you all to a brand new week. Buckle up because we're about to dive into a recap of all of the amazing highlights from last week's event right here in Abakaliki. Trust me, it's been a whirlwind of activities with visitors coming in and going out of the state and so many moments worth celebrating. Now, let me tell you, the week was packed with special gatherings and one of the standout events was hosted. Actually, this standout event was hosted by none other than Chief Mrs. Mary Maudlin Ogbonna Nwifuru, the wife of the governor of Ebonyi State. But don't worry, we're going to take this journey one step at a time and relive each special moment together. So let's kick things off with one of the top highlights. In all of her humility and grace, she proudly unveiled her much anticipated book titled The Teenager's Companion. Now, what's this book about, you might want to ask? Well, it's a heartfelt guide dedicated to supporting teenagers as they navigate their journey into adulthood, a very vital companion for shaping and molding their formative years. Dr. Kelechi Mbam took on the review of this book, and let's just say he did absolute justice to it. But that's not all that made this event a nice to remember. The book launch was perfectly paired with a grand dinner party in honor of the recently concluded Nigerian Governors Spouses Forum retreat. And where did this all take place? It took place at the Old Government House Banquet Hall, Abakaliki, a venue that buzzed with elegance and excitement. In a show of true sisterhood, first ladies from the 6 geopolitical zones of Nigeria joined the celebration, adding their charm and resonance to the evening. Chief Mrs. Maudlin couldn't contain her gratitude as she expressed heartfelt thanks to her fellow first ladies and, of course, her husband, His Excellency Right Honorable Francis Ogbonna Nwifuru, for his unwavering support so far. And speaking of support, we had the honor of hosting the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria here in Ebonyi State, Her Excellency Senator Oluremi Tinubu, along with the wife of the Vice President, Her Excellency Aija Nana Shetima, the wife of the Speaker of the House of Representatives, Hajiya Fatima Tajuddin Abbas, and the wife of the Deputy Senate President, Hajiya Bara Jibrin, not to forget the esteemed presence of the National Security Advisor's wife, Hajiya Ribadu, and 23 governors' wives from across the nation. Talk about a powerhouse lineup. Now, let's talk about the moments that touched every heart in the room. Through our pet project, the Renewed Hope Initiative, Her Excellency Senator Oluremi Tinubu empowered Ebonyi women in small and medium-sized enterprises. And it wasn't just words. Containers packed with fashion items and accessories were dispatched to uplift women traders in Ebonyi State. To amplify this effort, His Excellency Governor Nwifuru contributed by providing capital grants of 1 million naira each to support more women in starting their own SME businesses. The room was filled with joy and applause, and the energy was unmatched. This event wasn't just about celebration, it was about planting seeds for a brighter future for Ebonyi State women. As Chief Mrs. Maudlin wrapped up, she extended her deepest thanks to Her Excellency Senator Oluremi Tinubu, the Renewed Hope Initiative team, and every member of the Nigerian Governors Spouses Forum. Her gratitude didn't stop there. It ended to all the dedicated Ebonyi women whose strength and spirit made this event extraordinary. Ebonyi People TV viewers, it was a night that combined elegance, empowerment, and the promise of a better tomorrow. Here's to more celebrations, more empowerment, and more unforgettable moments. Until next time, keep watching Ebonyi People TV and see you in our next video.